What's up, guys? So here we are working on Bubba's 124 that we're building for him. It's a nice little Dyna, so we decided to use Alloy Art Stabilizer stuff here. This stuff is very nice. We've used these before with real good results, so we highly recommend them. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this now that everything's basically removed, and we're in the process of putting the rear rim on, exhaust and all that stuff. I thought that now that the battery box and everything's off, it's going to give us an opportunity to get to everything, especially filters off and all that stuff. So let me go ahead and get these installed. I'll show you guys the end results, but yeah, really good quality, nice anodizing, stainless steel hardware. Let me get started with this stuff. All right, guys, so we're getting ready to install this, and I just thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a pointer, not really an installation guide or anything, but one thing I recommend: this bolt comes loose from when we opened up the package. I would tighten that bolt, and what I would do is also loosen this up. I would stick it in here. Let me go around. Stick it in, put it where on that tube where it goes, and kind of pre-fit it first and adjust it, and take it back off and tighten this nut here, which is going to be your jam nut, because it's going to be extremely hard to tighten that bolt and tighten that nut once it's already installed. And then you can do your final adjustments with this heim joint and then tighten up your nut as well. I just put some right here. Don't forget to use red Loctite, and then don't forget to tighten up that little set screw. That's going to kind of help it from moving back and forth once it's already tightened and stuff. That's going to jam up against your frame. So let me get this installed. Alright, guys, so behind this bracket here is, or underneath the bracket is machined for this nut to slide in there. So I highly recommend you putting it on before you bolt the bracket down. Put a piece of tape, and that would hold the nut up on this, so whenever you go to put the bolt in there, you kind of put your finger in there and tighten it up. But if the nut happens to fall off or you forget to put it, this bolt comes with the kit. This goes part of the front mount. So what I would recommend, just kind of put it in here, hold the nut, tighten it up a little bit, kind of spin it for it to go in there, and then hold it with your finger, or get yourself some kind of a ruler or something that would be flat that could hold it up there while you put the bolt in place and tighten the bolt. So let me continue putting everything on. All right, so here we go. So I noticed also that we're having issues putting this bolt in. It could be just me, it could be just this bike, but something I did notice was to put a jack underneath, and you can see where it's gonna pick up the motor mount a little bit and give me extra clearance to install that bolt. So now it goes in there. So hopefully that will help you guys out also. Let me continue putting the rest of it on. All right, so we have the front part already mounted. You can see the bracket is mounted there to the front motor mount, to the engine case. Very nice, very clean system. I really like this. Anyway, guys, hopefully this helped you guys out a little bit. It's not really kind of an installation or a tech tip, but hopefully this helps you guys out here in the future to guys get one of these. I highly recommend it. They really work. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or go and check out Alloy Art. They have amazing stuff. Thanks for watching, guys.